Today, we talk about eco-friendly nanochemistry and its potential use in cancer therapy. Welcome to the Nature Middle East podcast broadcasting from Cairo, Egypt. Every week, we bring you research highlights, news, and stories of emerging science in this region. Scientists are simulating a natural chemical phenomena that usually happens in hot pockets in the deep ocean in order to create nanoparticles that can kill cancer cells. Sounds a bit outlandish? Well, listen on for the fascinating full story. This is a new episode of Nature Middle East podcast. I am Pakina Maimer. It's called the Leadin frost dynamic, a phenomena that many of you may be familiar with. You know when water droplets hit a sizzling hot pan, but instead of hissing and evaporating, they hover and dance? This effect of water not evaporating right away is called the Leadin frost. Based on this concept, scientists from Egypt, Germany, and Finland are introducing the concept of Leadin frost nanochemistry. The scientists mimic the activity of underwater volcanoes. In their rendition of the Leadin frost dynamic, they forced nanoparticles to erupt from the bottom of a hot bath in an overheated zone into a colder region. This creates a physical separation, similar to water drops hovering over a hot surface but not evaporating. I asked Dr. Al-Bahri if he can walk me through his methods of creating nanoclusters of zinc peroxide, the compound that they use in the study. Dr. Al-Bahri told me that he was inspired by the fascinating work of Dr. Otto Henrik Warburg, who won the Nobel Prize in 1931 for proving that cancer is caused by lack of oxygen in cellular respiration. This made Dr. Al-Bahri realize that nanodrugs can deliver oxygen to kill cancer. By creating nanoclusters of peroxide, which are a rich source of oxygen, the scientists have created a new tool for cancer therapy.
Peroxide has been already used for therapy. So it isn't a very old story. People has been used to heal certain diseases and also for viral or bacterial and so on. Well, the idea was first to me that's to generate such an peroxide material in form of nano clusters. So we are trying to use the well-known effects of nano size with respect to high surface area and so on. And it was the idea, it's possible to make this peroxide in form of nanoclusters. So that has been done. And now we have investigated later on how it can affect the cancer cell. And we do make different sizes of those particles. And then we introduce them to several cells of cancer cells. And then we have seen, okay, are they able to kill the cancer cell or not? So it was fantastic because all of them are already able to kill the cancer cell effectively.
That was Dr. Madi Al-Bahri. In addition to using the nanoparticles to selectively kill cancer cells, they can also tailor the size of the particles to affect how much oxygen is released. Size plays an important role in this therapeutic process. The drug should not harm healthy cells, and thus you need to adjust the size in a way that it can selectively destroy the cancer cells without affecting healthy ones. Dr. Al-Bahri wishes to transfer this knowledge to Egypt, and he's already in contact with Zuwail City and peers elsewhere to make this happen. If you've enjoyed this nanotechnology research highlight, do check out the full coverage on our website. More insights from the researchers will be online on nature.com/nMiddleEast. That's it for today. Our podcast now airs weekly. You can tune in to Nature Middle East on SoundCloud and iTunes. I'm Pakina Maimer. Thank you for listening and have a great weekend.